back now to the main restaurant area. Here's my 4-cheese pizza. Here's my strawberry smoothie, calamari. These funky statues here. Beautiful love heart here. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's Christmas Day, it's around 6:30 p.m. I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is Christmas Day dinner here at Plancha. So I'm not sure it's going to be Christmas Day dinner. I'm just going to order something from the menu here at Plancha. Every time I come to Seminyak and have food and drinks on the beach, I usually only ever come to Plancha, and this is my personal favourite place here. It's a very, very popular restaurant, probably the most popular on 66 Beach here in Seminyak. You're going to see that with the camera in a moment. So I'm going to order my food from Plancha, share that with you just to show you how good the food is here, and then I'm going to take a walk around 66 Beach and show you the activity here on Christmas Day. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Plancha. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be having my Christmas Day evening meal here at Plancha in Seminyak. You can see it's absolutely loaded with customers as always. No exception here on Christmas Day. So busy. Minimum spend here 150,000 per person. See, it just stretches all the way along. Super busy. Someone with the pizza there. Let's take you to the back now to the main restaurant area. This is my little table, what I'm sat at. See, it's so busy here. Wow. Okay, so here's a menu here at Plancha. So there's not a great deal on the menu for an evening time. Here's the fresh bowls, dips and breads. Some sweets, snacks. I've ordered the 4-cheese pizza. It's 120k. I did want the snapper, this one. However, that's not available. There's all the cocktails and things, water and soft drinks, spot sharing cocktails. Here's the beers. Have some shooters, some buckets also. So here's some of the other drinks as well. They do have tea and coffee for those of you that don't want to drink alcohol. Fresh juices also available, healthy juice, milkshakes, and I've had a strawberry smoothie. Okay, so I've ordered the chicken wings. It's just 3 pieces of chicken. Here's my strawberry smoothie. I'm gonna give these chicken wings a go now. Wow, the sauce is delicious. Here's my strawberry smoothie. Yeah, that's nice and refreshing. This is my 4-cheese pizza. Here's my 4-cheese pizza. Yeah, that's nice. So here's my calamari. It's finally come. I've had to wait a good while for this. I think they forgot the order. Little dipping sauce. Little dipping sauce. My calamari. Calamari. Wow. Okay, so just moving away from La Plancha there in the distance. Now I'm going to be just walking a little bit this way, show you how and what's going on here and the activity at these places this direction. Beautiful love heart here. People sat on the swing there. Bali Juice Park, that one's called. Just go one more in this direction, then we'll head back to La Plancha and head to the main entrance to the 66 beach area. A nice relaxing seating area here again. DJ there. One more here and then we'll head back. This one's quite busy here as well. So they have live music. It's called a Terrace Bali, this one. Okay, so I'm just on the path now, just away from La Plancha. We have lots of copyright music at La Plancha, so it's very difficult to record there. Here's our next place. This one's called the Champlung. Not so many customers here, some at the front. Restaurant at the back. It's actually got a very, very nice seating area inside this one. Nice seating area in the side there. Lots of tables and chairs inside also. Live music. They've just taken a break, but there is live music. Not so busy there. So it's called the Champlung, that one. I'm just going to turn the camera off now till we get to the next set. Still people on the beach as well in this area. Okay, so just down from the Champlung now, this is one called Warung Jiloglo or something like that. can't see that up there because of the too bright camera settings. Again, all the beanbag seating and everything here. There's all the girls at the back. A nice beautiful inside seating area as well at the back. Bar in the back there also. Hello, how are you?
Good, how about you?
Good, good. A group here at the back. So not too busy at that one. Just going to continue walking now until we get to the next one. Okay, we're approaching our next place now. Again, have a little seating area in the back there. Beanbag seating here. The Capil Beach, this one's called. Nice inside seating area there as well at Capil Beach. Just from the Capil Beach now we have the Sand Beach. Also have live music, just taking a break again here. A little swing there at the Sand Beach. Main restaurant area in the back here. Some customers sat at the front here, some up above also. Majority are actually sat here, right on the beach. There's quite a few customers here at this one. Yeah, it's quite busy here. The next one's also quite busy. This is this B9B. Quite a popular one here again. Some customers in the back. How are you, brother? Oh, so yeah, this is B9B. These funky statues here. It's a dolphin or a shark, not sure, and then the other one a turtle. Some big groups here as well. And then this is a place called K Resto, this one. This is the last one now before the main gate entrance to 66 Beach and Legian beaches. Happy hour every day. Sorry, my shadow's there, hopefully you can see it. Got a little friend here as well. Hello! Some of the menu. It's nice food. Maybe I'll try this one in a future video. I only usually go to the Plancha. Here's K Resto, the inside seating area. Selection of tables and chairs in there. great way to end the evening. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my Christmas Day dinner here at Plancha, here in Seminyak. So as you saw with the camera, Plancha is just a really popular restaurant, probably the most popular restaurant here at 66 Beach in Seminyak. Serves great food, all the drinks and the food are absolutely fabulous. You can see the vibes are absolutely out of this world at Plancha. It's very different than any of the other places on the beach here at 66. But all in all, after I took the stroll at the end there, it wasn't as busy as what I expected it to be here for Christmas Day. I expected all of those restaurants to be absolutely packed out and literally no seats available. However, that wasn't the case. Plancha was the busiest out of all of them by a long stretch. But all in all, people seem to be enjoying themselves, relaxing here at 66 Beach, enjoying Christmas Day. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I shall say bye for now.